Welcome to my course on how to set up your own business and become a successful entrepreneur. In this course, I'm going to provide my 4-step blueprint to make money from whatever business you choose. This is not just a basic marketing course. You're going to get my step-by-step business blueprint, and you're also going to get my customer generation software 100% free with the course. This software can bring you tons of laser targeted sales and traffic to business website using internet marketing. Before we get into the course, let me introduce myself. I'm Rufina and I have over 7 years of experience in marketing. I have 10 plus business sites, which makes me a consistent and passive income for the past 2 years. And in this course, I'm going to explain the same technique which I'm following for myself to become a successful entrepreneur. At the end of the course, you will be able to select the right business which is suitable for you and how to get started with it. You will also find your right customers. You can choose your best marketing methods that will bring more profit. You will also get my blueprint to bring instant traffic into your site. Please let me know if you have any questions or doubts anywhere in the course. I'm always there to support you. So I hope you got some idea of what this course is all about, aren't you? In the next lecture, I'll give you an overall view of what we are going to learn in each section.